Hi. Hello. I let you be. You know what that is? This is vitamin C 1000 mg to maintain your immunity from coronavirus. मैं ये इसलिए खा रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरा आज का डिनर जो है वो स्किप हो गया और मेरे को लग रही है भूख. So I'm just having it because I don't want to eat food now. So I'm killing the hunger. हाय हेलो नमस्ते कुछ नहीं मतलब ऐसे ही. हाँ ऐसे करेंगे आप लोग. Hi Munawar, that's so sweet of you. You are the best. Hi darling. Who is going to say hi? After Munawar, कौन बात करेगा? Hello. What's up? Hey darling. Hey. Hey Patel Maharshi. Hello. Hi Suganya. I know you here. Hi Vidya. Hi darling. कैसे हो आप? How's it going? How's it coming along? Hi Sarthik Jen. Hi darling. What's up? Hi Ambuj. Good to see you again darling. Good to see you really. क्या हाल चाल? Mm. Hi Tejas. कैसे हो? How are you? Hi, Dhruv Goyal. Mwah! Yes, frosty lips. Baby, what you thinking? Always overthinking. You want to start the evening by a song or what? Come on, love. Come on, love. Hey, Sarthak Jen. Thank you so much. पटेल महर्षि नाम ऐसा और सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा है आपका. हाँ आपको पता है वो क्या है? वो फिल्मों के नाम है. हम दमशराज खेलते हैं कभी कभी. What's up? How's it going? How's it going? Hey John Smith, I should change dress ना. मुझे भी यही लग रहा था. विद्या, do you think I should change dress? Do you think I should change? I will go and change. As you say. बोलो, change करना है? Yes? You think I should? Okay. Who else? और किसको लगता है कि change करना चाहिए? I'll go and change. Who else? Who else? Huh? Come on, give me an option of changing dress. I'm not asking you to give me 100, but I'm asking you to give me so that I know that you think that yes, I should change. Because I know you don't like these kind of tops on me sometimes. I have something an option actually, you know. Wait. I got you. You. Na, 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 na. I could be your friend. Baby, let me in. This is hot. Hi, Andy. How are you? Do you think I should change? I should change. I will wear this. You want me to change? वैसे मैंने कुछ गिरा लिया baby. Okay, Akshay. Let's see. I'm right here changing. Be here. Baby, what you thinking? Always so thinking. Na, na, na. Check out you. Let's finish what we started. I got you. Ooh, you. You like it? Do you like this one better? Tell me. Yes? Yes or no? Come on. Come on. Hi, Ved Pradhan. Hi, guys. No? No, why? Because I put my chain up. Vidya likes it. That's very smart of you. चेन खुली की मेन खुली हाँ ये मेन ही तो है ये मेन ही तो है कि नहीं should I take it down guide me should I take it down hi Vikramjeet Singh what's up Dhruv Goyal hi Vishnu Narayana कैसे हो आप okay what was that you give me a song right Vishnu you gave me a song to sing right which song was that was it जरा जरा महकता है हाँ यही song है क्या okay lovely so I'm singing this song for Vishnu Narayana hi Manish tight tight hug inna shalala tight hug जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में हाँ, तेरी कसम मुझको सनम दूर कहीं ना जा ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आ जा रे आ जा रे आ जा रे हे मनवित तुम ही आना आई लव दैट सॉन्ग ओके मनवित को ये गाना सुनना है क्या किसी और को भी सुनना है यस पटेल महर्षि we can I guess anybody else wants to listen to तुम ही आना क्योंकि मैं मनवित के लिए गाना जा रही हूँ आई वॉन्ट टू नो इफ यू ऑल्सो वांट इट विक्रमजीत जाना पहचाना सा नाम लग रहा है आपका सार्थक जैन यू as well okay so I'm going to sing this song a nose ring on this you sure okay in a while All right, so um, तेरे जाने का गम और ना आने का गम, फिर जमाने का गम क्या करे, राह देखे नजर रात भर जाग कर, पर तेरी तो खबर ना मिले। One bit. बहुत आई गई यादें, मगर इस बार तुम ही आना, इरादे फिर से जाने के। Thank you, Andy. Thank you. Hi, Prakash Surya. नहीं लाना, नहीं लाना. Hi, Saksham. Mahesh, thank you, Sarthak. You like my eyes. Thanks. Thanks, Q. Thanks, Q. Hi, Manish. Hi, Kanan. Hi, Naveen. Hi, Naveen. Oh, look who is here. Hi, Nishantra. Oh, yeah. Tight hug. Really? Love you too. Saksham wants to know my secret. Uh, it's very hard for me to stay home every day. हाय निशांता, टाइट हग बेबी, टाइट हग. तो मैं ना आज मैं बाइक लेकर के आई वाज राइडिंग अ बाइक. मैंने अभी रॉयल इनफील्ड बुक की है, अभी आई नहीं है, but I was already having an Activa, so I was riding it. Bike नहीं बोलते यार उसको, Activa बोलते हैं. So I was riding it and it was so much fun. गाने सुनते हुए गाड़ी चलाने में बड़ा मजा आ रहा था. Car, I don't enjoy much. I enjoy bikes more. What about you? What do you like? So that's one of my secret. So you want me to change dress? What should I do? Like you want me to change the whole thing and come back in a different what? क्या करना है बताओ? Hmm? What's that you want to do? No, na? Thank you, Shanaran. See, this is so super hot. Naveen, what is that you're not liking, my love? What's that you're not liking? Huh? What is it? Oh, this has gone too deep. Thank you, Sarthak. Hello, 92 people. Hi. Never have I ever. Vikramjeet, aren't you adorable? Never have I ever. Never have you ever. What? You tell me what. Hi, Heavenly. That is my first premium sticker of the day. Thank you, Heavenly. Love you, Babu. Thank you. So, I can't think of anything. Baby, love forever, darling. Love you too. Take a deep breath and let it go and be with me. Come here. Come here. Give me a kiss. Come here. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Come on. I want your kiss. I want your kiss. Why I can see my back? It's so hot, yeah? The back looks hot, huh? Is it? I'll show you. I don't want to show you, but I know it's gonna look vulgar. But I just know for a fact that the way it's looking in the mirror, it's crazy. I'll show you it. One second. I'm wearing high heels. आपको पता है कुछ लोगों का हील्स का भी फटिश होता है? Do you know that? That people who get turned on by listening to the world heal. Can you say? Not able to show you, na? Who wants a kiss? Who wants a kiss? Who wants a dear darling kiss? Huh? Who wants it? Glossy lips. Vidya wants glossy lips. Vidya, I like glossy lips as much as you do. पता है? Hi Nishant Rao. If you want me to kiss you, yes, Sunil, let's get married. Vidya, are you ready? Are you with me? Are you with me? Now you want a kiss, honey? Vikramjit, so sweet. But Vikramjit, if you want me to kiss you, give me 10 stickers of kiss me and I will kiss you right here in the mirror. Who wants a kiss? Who wants a kiss? That ain't happening. 10 kisses, darling. Nishant, Zala. Hi, Manvit. Mwah. Love you. Love you. Kiss you. Naveen, you have to give me 10, darling, like Vidya did. Vidya, you are in a good mood today, huh? You're showering me, love. Naveen, that's a good DP. Well, this one is for you, Vidya. Wait a sec. I'm gonna give you the top view. You like it? See, here is a kiss. This is you. And now, your turn, Naveen. Your turn. Mwah. Love you. Yes. Yes, we can. You want me to wear a nose ring? Tester is testing something. Is that so? Okay, let me see where the nose ring is. Ritesh, you want me to change dress per se? I don't mind. I can. You want me to change dress? Hello. Hello. Acha, theek hai. So now I'm going to wear another top that is very sexy. It's red in color. Do you want me to change it? This is not looking nice. It's looking stupid. Do you want me to change? Yes? Yes, Vidya? I need to know you. I need to know. I need to have your permission, baby. Should I change or not? Desi girl. Baby. Hannah Vidya, I think so too. Gray is like a little dull. It's hot, but it's a little dull. So I'll go and change. Okay, Pati Maharashi. Mwah. Come on. All right. I'm going without having your stickers. इसलिए मैं ये उम्मीद करती हूँ कि जब मैं वापस आऊंगी और अगर आपको अच्छा लगेगा, आई नो यू विल हैव टू लाइक इट, सो यू गिव मी स्टिकर्स. ठीक है, तारीफ करना मेरी, बोल के जा रही हूँ. आई मीन यू आर जेंटलमैन यार, आपको तो पता है ना तारीफ करनी होती है जब भी बंदी को एफर्ट करती आती है तो. ठीक है, आई एम गोइंग. विल चेंज. बाय. Oh my god. You want me to wear a dress or what? What should I wear? Oh, I gotta figure out. I'm not sure, yaar, what to wear, to be honest. I am. Give me a second more, darling. Give me a second more. Do we have that kind of luck? No, we don't. So what do? We try something. Come on. 1 second. I'll give you in 1 second. Holy, holy, holy. This is little too much. Hi Vidya, thank you. But I'm not turning around. No. Too much, too much, too much, too much. Too much, too much, too much, too much. काफी ज़्यादा है ये. This is too much. I love you, Prakash. But wait. I'll have to change. I can't be wearing it. अरे यार. Hey, just tell me, do you think I should wear this red dress? I can wear this red dress for you. Do you want me to wear this? Yes or no? No? Who said no? Vishnu Narayana said no. Anybody else want to say anything? Should I change it, darling? Should I? Yes? Vidya, you like it? See? Sure? No, actually. क्या करूं मैं? ये जो मैंने पहना है ना, ये बहुत ज्यादा ट्रांसपेरेंट है एंड बहुत ज्यादा सारा कुछ दिख जाएगा, इसलिए आई डोंट वांट टू टेक अ चांस. Okay, got it. I got something nice. I got something nice. I got something really nice. Wait, huh? Be here. John Smith, I'm wearing this top, red top. It's a nice one. Wait, let me just change, okay? Samir, you can't. Hey, Nitish. Mwah. Thank you, darling. Baby, you don't understand. I will not be able to turn around in this one. It's a little too much. I'll be like this. चलेगा? बिट्टू चौधरी चलेगा? Huh? Because no, this is too much. Thinking of you too, darling. Mwah. Love you. Like chagale. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. Tell me now, can I wear this for you? Can I wear this for you? This one, please? I think so. It's gonna look awesome. It's gonna look awesome. It's gonna look awesome, baby. Give me a sec. हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए. I'm coming up and I'm expecting some really nice compliments from you all. What you give me? Aha! Now this looks nice. I love it. What about you? Do you like it? Do you like it? I'll just have to doctor my lipstick, I guess. Nothing, no compliment, nothing. Jao main. Should I say bye? Hi, Nirwan. Hi, Mahindra. Hi, Omkar. Thank you, Sunil. Hi, Karandavi. What's up? What's up? You love? आपका रुमा. Vidya? आपका नाम मेरा तराना. Acha, who wants to give me perfume because I am going to spray on me right now? Who wants to gift me that? Hi, Perfect Finders. Hi, Nicola. Hey, love. Smells so nice. Shit. Guys, if I'll not see you giving or talking to me now, I'll go. I'll really go. Hi, Nitish. Hi, darling. Hi, my love. Hi, Harish. I'm just making my eyes a little more fancy for you. Desi romance, yes. Which means I can try to put on a bindi. Bindi, 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 we can try. Hi, Shantri. Do you like me in the bindi? Do you like it? See? Nose ring, na Mahendra? I saw that coming. Wait a sec. Come on, tight, tight hug, baby. आपका अरमा. I love you, Sunil. I love you, Sunil. Nirwan, this one is for you as well. I'm singing a song for you. आपका अरमा, आपका नाम, मेरा तराना. और हाय सुगी. और नहीं इन झुकती पलकों के सिवा मेरा ठिकाना और नहीं जचता ही नहीं आँखों को कोई. दिल तुमको ही चाहे तो क्या कीजिए ओ मेरे दिल के चैन. चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. What's up? Hi Nitish. Yes, Aksham. Thinking of you too, darling. Hey, Munawar. Okay. Okay. मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू. आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू. जादू है नशा है. Oh, that's beautiful song. Thank you, Andy. Nitish. Hey, Sugi. Love you. Hey, Shubham. Love you, darling. चलिया हाँ तू चलिया. जादू है नशा है मदहोशियाँ. तुझको भुला के अब जाऊं कहाँ. जादू है नशा है मदहोशियाँ. जाऊं मैं. बात नहीं करोगे तो जाऊंगी मैं. मतलब ऐसी लड़की को आप बात नहीं कर रहे हो, स्टिकर नहीं दे रहे हो, मैं क्या करूं यहाँ बैठ के. हाँ, अकेले अपने आप से कैसे बातें करूं, कब तक करूं बताओ. तुझको भुला के अब जाऊं कहाँ. देखती है जिस तरह से तेरी नजरें मुझे, मैं खुद को छुपाऊं कहाँ. जादू है नशा है. Wow. Hey, Sami. Okay. So this is the last song and then I'm going. तो आपको जितना प्यार बरसाना है अभी बरसा लीजिए क्योंकि फिर मैं नहीं आऊंगी अभी. मैं जा रही हूँ because I'm not happy. You're not talking to me. It's like, hi Sabyasachi. It's like, what am I doing here? You know? That's how I feel sometimes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sing this last song and I'm gonna go because आज का मेरा वर्कआउट बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंस था. मुझे ना थोड़ी सी थकान हो रही है. I just and I'm not able to sleep. So I wanna sleep. I'd rather sleep ना. आप बात ही नहीं करोगे तो. Hmm? Which song was that? फिलहाल ना. हाँ कुछ ऐसा कर कमाल कि तेरी हो जाऊं. हाँ कुछ ऐसा कर कमाल कि तेरी हो जाऊं. मैं किसी और की हूँ फिलहाल. मैं किसी और की हूँ फिलहाल. कि की हूँ. हाँ गलत है जो भी कर रहा जानी. पर ऐ भी दे तेरे बिन कि वे मर रहा जानी. मर जाएंगे लैन संभाल. मर जाएंगे लैन संभाल कि तेरी हो जाऊं. मैं किसी और की हूँ. मैं किसी और की हूँ फिलहाल. Thank you, Samir. Thank you so much, darling. Love you, Harish. Love you, Sugi. Take care, darling. You take care of yourself. You're very, very important. And everything is gonna be fine, okay? Karan Dave. Alright, you gotta listen to that one. I would need more stickers because I'm planning to go and I'm tired, so I want more stickers for that. Do you want me to sing that song? प्यार दीवाना होता है, सुनना है? आ ही जाता है दिल जिस पे आना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है, प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. Bye. I love you. Bye bye, Karan. Good night. Take care. Bye. Bye, Avijaya. Bye, Manavar. Bye, Nitish. Love you. Bye, Naveen. Love you too, darling. Ouch. Unbelievable. मना करे दुनिया देखे. Bye bye.